For me, this is one of the nicest stores, sneaker stores in Nepal. Two tables and pocket long bazaar. So how are you, Anish? How's business?
The business is really nice. I think the sneaker community in Nepal is growing really great, and like there are new sneakerheads forming up every day.
Your aspiration pani bho. Khas gari college students, they want to own a pair of Jordans, Yeezys. No. So you have Jordans, you have Adidas, Sambas dekhi liera sabai cha, Gazelles, Yeezys. So almost everything, Reeboks, I know.
Yeah, whatever generally people look for, we've covered almost everything. So even though a pair is not here, we'll pre-order for people.
I think you have one of the widest selections. So त्यो भए तापनि केही स्पेसिफिक पेयर चाहियो भन्छ you all will get it and provide the customer. Originally चाहिने भनेर त्यो कल्चर आइसकेको छ नेपालमा.
Started build चाहिँ
It's authentic pair. Authenticity को what checks do you have in place?
If तपाईलाई चाहियो भने मैले त्यो बिल पनि तपाईलाई प्रोवाइड गर्दिन मिल्छ. अब अहिले त टेक्नोलोजी पनि आइसकेको छ, तपाईको एप थ्रु पनि चेक गर्न मिल्छ.
So it's a customer confidence that is बढेको छ. We hope that we can contribute towards providing good, authentic sneakers to all the Nepalese consumers. We'll see you again soon.
Yeah.
Maybe not be on the episode, but I'll come and buy some shoes.
Yeah.